you know that a single point increase in your credit score could save you thousands in interest over the life of a loan? Welcome back to WealthWise Rewards, where we turn financial woes into financial wins. Today, we're diving deep into Zero to Hero, your credit repair journey. Whether your credit score is the villain holding you back from your dreams or just a sidekick in need of a boost, this video is your roadmap to turning things around. Stick around as we reveal how improving your credit habits can unlock doors to better financial opportunities. Don't forget, if you find value in our content, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Let's start with the basics. Why does your credit score matter? Your credit score is like a financial passport. The higher it is, the easier and cheaper it is to borrow money for big-ticket items like houses and cars. But what if your score is less than stellar? First step, check your credit report for errors. You'd be surprised how many people find inaccuracies that are dragging their scores down. Next, we'll guide you through disputing those inaccuracies. It's simpler than you think and can have a big impact. Hear from John, who found a mistake on his report and got it fixed, boosting his score by 50 points. Now, improving your credit habits. Paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and only opening new credit accounts when necessary. Meet Lisa, who transformed her credit score by adopting these habits, gaining financial freedom in the process. Introducing the Restore My Credit service by MWR. As a member, you get free access to credit restoration experts. These pros can help you navigate the often confusing journey of credit repair without any extra cost. Exclusive to our WealthWise Rewards viewers, join MWR with our link for a bonus perk, up to 40% off your next vacation. Think of it as a reward for taking a step towards financial health. Wow, what a journey we've been on today, from understanding the importance of credit scores to learning how to take control of your financial destiny. Remember, repairing your credit doesn't happen overnight, but every step you take is a step towards financial freedom. Don't let a number define your future. Take action, dispute inaccuracies, improve your habits, and consider expert help with MWR's Restore My Credit service. Did today's video inspire you to start your credit repair journey? Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and aim to create a supportive community where we can all grow together. If you're ready to turn your credit score from zero to hero, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WealthWise Rewards. Your next financial win is just around the corner. Until next time, keep making wise choices.